बरह रास्त आपको लिए चलेंगे इस्लामाबाद, जहां पर चेयरमैन एनडीए में मीडिया को ब्रीफ कर रहे हैं।
Ventilation is concerned, we are good. As far as oxygen is concerned, we are good. We are still improving. We are doing whatever is to be done. But the good news is that our number are declining. And you might even ask that if we are doing less tests, that might be the reason. But I look at some other numbers which are related to the oxygen, which are related to the ventilators, and which are related to the fatalities. So I believe that we are on a right path, and we are likely to have some good results in coming days. And those good results will improve our situation as far as COVID is concerned. Now, a few words about locusts. Let me tell you slightly comparison with what we had last year and what NDMA has done for this year. Last year we had 4 aircraft, we lost 1 in February. So we were left with 3 aircraft without pilots. And now we have pilots, and inshallah those 3 aircrafts of BPP will be with us in next month. We have 5 helicopters from Army, for which we had flown in from America the spares and its sitting kits. And all 5 aircrafts are available for spraying on the. Let me also tell you that it was, Hamid asked this question about the provinces, and let me commend them. That FAO would agree with me that we were wide of locusts in Punjab from 7th to 14th of June. And all the locusts either had shifted from Pakistani Punjab to Indian Rajasthan, and it went right up to Arunachal Pradesh. But also the flow of locusts, or movement of locusts, which we were expecting from Iran between 22nd of June to 10th of July, is not as we had expected earlier. Now coming over to the things which are done, the hardware which NDMA is primarily looking at. 5 helicopters, 3 Beavers, and we had flown on a week's notice an aircraft from Turkey on a rent basis through a PF aircraft, and that aircraft is sitting in Bhagalpur and waiting for orders to move. We now have 9 aircrafts. Let me also give you further what we are looking at. We have asked the ministry to finally approve 3 more aircrafts for renting. There's a discussion going on, there's a difference of opinion. We will be able to resolve it in a week's time. And if that is to be done, it will be here in 2 weeks. Now, beside that, we are in the process of purchasing 6 aircraft. And those aircrafts, whenever the procedure is finalized, there's a committee headed by Secretary Food Security, and there are 2 more secretaries who, as soon as they are going to say, okay, I'm going to issue an order, and we will have 2 aircrafts in 15 days time, and remaining 4 aircrafts after every 4 weeks, we will have 6 aircraft in about 10 weeks time. Let me now talk about the pesticide. There were 300,000 malathion ULV combination which was given by Chinese. There was another 50,000 lambda ULV again given by them. There were 50 spares which were given by them. NDMA had ordered 175,000 liters of malathion EC, out of which bulk has come, and the remaining about 50,000 liters is likely to reach by 20th of this month. So as far as pesticides are concerned, we have ample quantity. We have also talked to some local manufacturers, and they are carrying out trials, and hopefully their trials are successful. That would also get into the system by 20th of this month. Let me also tell you that as far as Japanese government is concerned, they have given us 58,000 liters of lambda EC composition. So difference between the EC composition and the ULP composition is that ULP composition is generally used in the desert and non-cropping area, whereas EC composition is used on the cropping area. And finally, let me also thank my friend Christine, he's here. They have, through different, they are providing us 50 spares, which are very much needed. We have ordered ourselves also 83, which because of their manufacturing and getting it through FAO are late. So we will get those by middle of August, all of them. And hopefully he is going to expedite now since I've given this point, so he will take it with him. We are going to get another 100,000 lambda and another 200,000 malathion and 50 spares, 50 what they call as drones by the Chinese government. We are in process of coordinating with them. This will be coming as a donation, so that has also be big help. There are three things which I would like to mention about the local production. I've already highlighted about marathon and lambda, but now we are working with the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, with Professor Dr. Vikas. We are trying to produce biopest. I have already allocated the amount. He is likely to produce. In fact, he has already produced and is carrying out trials on 100 acres of crop. And if that is successful, we will ask him to do the mass production. We are also in the process of, developing sprayers compatible to or closer to what we get it from UK. 20 are already there. These are under trial and are being used by our DPP. There are 20 more which would be from a Karachi-based source, inshallah. Those would also be coming in. If you compare what you had in 2019 and you have today, you are almost 10 times better than what you were last year. And you are less aerial sport in 93.